Ito po si Julina Magdangal. Tara na sa National Youth Day.
Ito po si Angel Doxin. Nakikiisa ho ako sa National Youth Day 2006.
Ito po si Dennis Trillo. Nakikisa sa National Youth Day 2006.
Kini ang inyong Arsobispo sa Davao, Monsignor Fernando Capalla. Ang selebrasyon sa National Youth Day usa ka pahinumdom nga gihigugma sa simbahan ang atong mga kabatanunan. Hinaot nga ang pag-abot sa 10,000 ka mga kabatanunan diri sa Davao, magpakita kita kanila nga kita taga Mindanao. Ato ipaila kanila ang atong mga parokya, labi na ang atong mga gagmayng Kristohanong katilingban. Suportahan nato kini. NYD sa Davao, apil kitang tanan.
I am pleased to announce that the next World Youth Day will take place in Sydney, Australia.
Oh, it's fantastic. It's sensational. We're very pleased with the announcement and look forward to welcoming the World Youth to Sydney in 2008.
It's great. It's so good. Woo! It's fantastic. Sydney is gonna rock. Come on.
Oh, makulit kong kapatid. Ano bang nangyari sa'yo?
Halika kuya. Huwag mo sabihin kay na mama at papa ha. Nakita ko si Santo Papa.
Oh?
Oh! Ang daming tao. Nag-praise and worship sila. Parang sa Germany? Sa Italy? Basta! Sa abroad! As in, ang dami!
To be young is to be one with the immortals. Being young is to experience all the happiest seasons of life. We are young. We are the youth, called together by the Holy Father to spread the good news.
We are here for one purpose, to strengthen our ties as the new breed of community leaders, the followers, and the next generation.
At yan din ang gusto ng simbahan para sa atin, to be evangelized and to become evangelizers ourselves.
Kaya nga may World Youth Day. Mapakatolik o hindi, join yan! Pope John Paul II initiated the possibility of gathering the youth all over the world to deepen their faith and to let them feel that the Church loves them truly.
Naaalala ko pa nga ang Youth Day noong 1995. Kinakanta kasi sa grade school namin ang Tell the World of His Love. Gusto ko nga sumali, pero bata pa ako noon. Kaya, nanood na lang ako ng TV to see the Pope. But don't worry. Alam mo ba na parating na siya sa Durian City?
It's gonna be held here in November. I would like to invite every youth of the land to be here also to join us during this festivity. And I hope to see you mixing it up with the rest of the Filipinos of Mindanao and Davao City in particular. Salamat.
Kaisa ang Sandiang Kabataan sa National Youth Day celebration.
See how people appreciate it? At sa 2008, sa Australia na naman ang World Youth Day.
Wow! Land of Kangaroos? Gusto kong pumunta doon. Kaso, mahal ata doon!
Pero pag gusto, maraming paraan. Kaya dapat mo nang ma-experience ang NYD sa Pilipinas.
It's the way to heaven. We wanna see Jesus lifted high. We wanna see Jesus lifted high.
We'll follow you, we'll share your life and your choices.
Salt and light, we are the salt and light. We wish to see Jesus. This is our prayer and our song.